I know you have been using Paveman proposals since the early days. How has that helped your team to stay focused on your path?
Paveman has helped a lot because it allows you to build good looking proposals rather than just a one sheet with a bunch of words and a little price like a lot of other guys. You can put maps and all that on there and files and images. So that's helped on the side of getting the clients, getting those bids signed. Also, the tracking on there has helped a lot. More so now that we're figuring out the numbers, we can figure out, okay, we need to sell this much work to meet these numbers. So I think, honestly, we haven't used that too much in the past, but we're going to this year. We're setting that up, making sure we have a plan on, what we need to sell, how many bids we need to send out, because we do know the conversion rate. So if we send, like 100 bids, we should get 50 signed. So if you send out 1,000,
500, yeah.
Yeah.
That's for me. That's kind of the thing. I did a video, and it was basically, and we speak about this on Top Contractor School as well. Is setting your goal and working backwards from your goal, and it's such a crucial decision and point in your business, because once you set the goal, you then know what you need to be putting out from a number of proposals perspective at this average job price with this conversion rate to really determine if you're ever going to hit your goal. And so to be able to actually have the opportunity to be able to set up the framework to hit your goal and then have a system hold you accountable to that kind of a thing, you'll know where you are, where you're falling short, if you're ahead. To be able to actually read those numbers is like kind of rubbing the let's say that the genie in a bottle, right? And so, yeah, man, I'm stoked for you guys I'm looking forward to that feedback on the numbers and see where you guys are.
Yeah, you've told me that in the past too. Is we've had talks. How much do you want to make this year? How much revenue? And then you'd go into, how many proposals at what average cost that is, and
right.
I got me going on that route.